Good morning. So today we're headed to Hollywood Studios for day 2 of our Disney trip. I'm so excited. I haven't been to any of these parks in over 10 years, so seeing it again when it's not MGM with all the new changes, including Batuu. Oh my goodness. I'm crazy excited for Batuu. So today there's a lot of really cool things going on. We have Hollywood and Vine dining for lunch, and it's seasonal, so they're gonna be in their Halloween costumes. I'm so excited for that. That was one of our last minute reservations, but it's gonna be so cute. I'm excited. And then we're gonna go to Oga's Cantina later, which is gonna be amazing. I'm stoked for all of it.
We just a little bit ago got onto a boarded group for Rise of the Resistance later.
Yeah. So we're group 55, so it's going to take a while. The estimated time has us going in at about 1, so we'll see when we actually get on because they'll give you a push notification. But yeah, we got on. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful. We planned 3 days for Hollywood Studios, and part of the reason was because we really wanted to make sure we got on to Rise. But we get to today. Oh my goodness. If we can ride it 3 times, I'd be amazed. First, we're gonna go ahead and look around the resort a little bit, hopefully get our resort mugs, and I wanna see the pool hours. Hopefully we can come back and use the pool today, like midday. Yesterday was super exhausting, and we wanted to use the pool after, but we got home and it was like, no.
I could barely move. I've got blisters on both ends of my feet. They're covered in moleskin right now, which is great because I can't feel my feet now.
So yeah, we're both ouchy. Him more than me, but we're both hurting. So today we're gonna take it a little bit easier, especially because I think the ride lines are gonna be longer. And yeah, let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. I love Goalie Goofy, but here's the duck pond, so it's Mighty Ducks themed in this area, and our room is right over here on this end. And then we go into the Dalmatians part, and then here are the Dalmatians with one watching TV here, and then of course Pongo and Pergita. In the Fantasia pool. And 10 to 11. Nice. The Real Fun Arcade appears to be open again. Good to know. You love arcades. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
We're going to win things then.
We will. So here's World Premiere Food Court. The lobby. And Donald's double feature. So we went ahead and got our resort mugs, and we had looked at different colors, but we both ended up with the same one. With one Minnie. I think that's Minnie. But it's super cute. We both got the black version. There were also a couple different colors of it. We both considered other colors, but after seeing them, it was like really easy to just, no, it's that one.
There was a red version of this, but the red was kind of see-through, and it just didn't complement it in the least, so I was like, nah. Black it is.
And I considered the other like cup design. It had like Buzz Lightyear and Nemo and Lightning McQueen on it, and it had like a pink or green top, but I think it was just, I don't know, I like the classic design a lot, so.
I like the classic stuff a lot, and I'm not going to buy anything with Lightning McQueen on it. No offense to Cars.
I would have bought something with Lightning McQueen on it. But it was like a solid half the cup was him, so I get it. But anyways, yeah, we're about to head to Hollywood Studios, and we're going to see if we finish these drinks on the way there.
I doubt it, but
and if we immediately need the bathroom also. I think our plan is to immediately hit the Tower of Terror, or otherwise see what lines are actually low, because we know that Slinky Dog and Batuu fill up really quickly. So, yeah. I'm so excited. Let's go. Oh, I love it.
Good morning, and thank you for visiting Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Oh, she's beautiful. There she is. Scary girl. Scary girl. You excited?
Yes.
I'm nervous.
Oh, no nervous.
I was so scared last time. Last time I rode it 3 times and I really liked it, but I was scared, so.
I've only ridden it once and I loved it, so.
We'll see how it
I'm
goes.
excited to do it again.
I'm just worried about being nervous. I'm worried about being worried. Is that strange? That was actually amazing. I thought I'd be terrified the whole time and I wasn't, so that was great.
I love the Twilight Tower of Terror.
It was really fun.
It
The
was
only
better
thing,
than I even remembered it.
yeah, the only thing that scared me this time was the fact that I was out of my seat almost the entire time, which, that's fine. I liked that.
It's too fun. You gotta slip out of there.
Now we're doing Aerosmith, which we're mixing up the usual here. I have never done this, and he has, and he loved it.
I loved it. I loved it so much that on the vacation that I was not supposed to buy any souvenirs, I got myself a little pin.
Goodness.
I loved this.
So I'm nervous because I don't like coasters. Well, I like coasters. I'm just scared of them going upside down, but we'll see how this goes. I'm excited. We've done it. So that was a lot better than I thought it would be. Well, okay. It was more intense than I thought it would be. It was darker than I thought it would be at the beginning also. But it was really fun. We got Sweet Emotion played during it, and I heard that you can have Walk This Way played during it, and I really want to ride it again so we can have that.
That's the one that I had the first time I went on, so that's what I want to get that again eventually.
Yeah.
But I had a really good time. I went upside down. We went upside down more than I had remembered.
Yeah.
But I don't mind that at all. That was super fun. I love that the stuff goes over your head, so then none of you moves.
Yeah.
Not our bags beneath our feet, not us. We were not going out of our seats. It was just fun. It just felt good.
And that was one of my first times on an upside down ride. I only got on one once, and I didn't know at the time that it would go upside down. And this one, he told me it would only do it once, so I was like, oh, okay, that's not too bad. It did it like 4 times, I want to say. Like it was a good amount, but I liked it. I think the thing with Disney is like you feel extra safe. So
That's the good part. We know that that's not safe.
yeah. But we're gonna try to get to the 2 right now because Smuggler's Run is unexpectedly only 5 minutes.
So if we can get there,
Yeah.
we're gonna do it.
And Aerosmith had been a walk-on, and Power of Terror had been a walk-on so far, so this is kind of wild. Quick change of plans. Slinky Dog's at 15, so we're gonna try to ride up there real quick because that has been the longest from when we've been checking before this.
That is something that I assumed we wouldn't be able to go on because it's always been above 35 to 45
Yes.
to 50.
And we're trying to avoid the longer lines to kind of limit exposure a little bit, so.
Trying
Yeah.
to stay at about 15 or under has been successful.
Yeah, it's been happening so far, so this should be good. Soon. Soon. One day.
Back for you.
We'll be back for you.
Mwah.
I'm actually really excited for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
Same.
I haven't seen any of these new rides, and that's one of the ones I'm most excited for after the Star Wars one.
It looks so cute.
It does.
I want to be in a cartoon.
Same. I'm just worried about like how long that line will get, because that should be a little crazy too.
Yeah. Rex is so cute.
They're talking to us like Jessie and Rex. I love it. And Woody. This is so cool already. My nostalgic heart is like, ooh.
Oh my god. My little child heart. I'm a toy.
You're a toy.
Hey, howdy, hey! Andy set up his coaster track, and Slinky Dog is ready to help you ride like the wind.
You know, Slinky was my favorite for such a long time.
Ready? Let's go.
Springing right there.
love the aliens a lot, so
I can see the rocks of a too. Yeah.
I'm so excited. So we're headed towards Smuggler's Run now because it's supposed to be 15-minute wait time. And this is going to be our first time seeing Galaxy's Edge. So, oh my goodness. Oh, I might too. I might. I just might. But I also am really excited just seeing the aliens next to me, so I'm a little distracted. The Dog Dash was amazing. As fun as I thought it would be. The wait time was probably under 15. It said 20 on the turnstiles once we got there, but I think it was under 15 for sure. It was really quick.
So fast.
But I loved every second of that. I loved that. It was so cute, and the little big finale was precious, and I didn't know that Slinky Dog, like, talked during it.
I love that there's, like, Slinky noises. It's not just he's talking, he's got, like, the little Slinky noises of, like, the metal clinking. It's so cool.
It's precious.
I loved it.
And now we're walking into Batuu, and it's already immersive feeling.
So cool.
I feel like we're in a different theme park. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, going good. I'm glad.
Yes, I like to stand in the shade.
Yeah. So cool. A quick U-turn. Not because we don't know where we're going, but because we don't know where we're going.
It's oddly distracting being in here.
It really is, and I don't mind at all.
You can't really blame us for getting a little confused.
Yeah, I feel like we're in a different city. I feel like we're in an outpost. I think it's the Millennium Falcon that's got me like, I'm trying not to tear up. I'm getting emotional.
I'm like in shock.
Yeah.
Nothing feels real.
No, this is really cool. I love this. Oh my god. If she's not the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Officially my favorite queue. Wow. How do you feel?
Fantastic, amazing, perfect.
They yell at you?
I showed him that he said, do the ride, do the ride, do the ride.
Oh, very good, very good.
Oh, this is the group I've been waiting for, yes! Come in, come in! I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Although, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine friend.
Oh my goodness. How you feeling?
Crazy.
Me too. We're gunners. Gotcha.
Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now, despite what you have heard, my friends, when you work for Onaka Transport Solutions, there is no need to worry. Everything is precise, professional, and... What do you mean, system failure? Oh, that's what you mean by system failure.
Go on the ground for me.
Engineers, automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Julian, flying this thing easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. After my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
We were hoping to get a picture of him with Goofy.
He left too fast.
Yeah.
That's okay. I'm sure we'll see him again.
Yeah, I'm positive we will at some point. Is he your favorite, the 6?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. It's hard on the 6 because I really love Donald.
My favorite's gotta be Minnie, but Donald's like a solid second. Oh, but Mickey. Oh.
It's hard.
So we're taking a little bit of a break. We did Smuggler's Run. We were gunners. It was really fun. We tried to race over to get pictures with Goofy. That wasn't successful, but that's okay. So we ended up being able to watch that little bit of a cavalcade really easily and on accident. They didn't have any published times that we saw on the Disney Experience app, but I'm really glad we got to see the cavalcade nonetheless. It was getting really hot and really crowded in Batu, so we went ahead and we tried to check Mickey and Minnie's railway times, but it was still about 25, and that's a bit longer than we want to try to wait. So we got a photo pass in front of it, and we went ahead and got Joffrey's, which is right behind it. They have giant donuts in case you're not like aware of them. They have giant donuts and supposedly really good iced coffee. Didn't try that this time though. We got a big cookies and cream donut. It was really good. It was about what I expected. And then we got a frozen strawberry drink. They have different flavors, and I think if we'd mixed the strawberry and the lemonade, it would have been perfect because the strawberry is really sweet, but it is yummy.
Right. I'm drinking it right now. It's incredible. Normally when I say like something where it's like it's a frozen drink and it's strawberry, I expect it to just be like the strawberry syrup stuff. This is strawberries. You can see the little seeds and stuff in here. It is straight up crushed up strawberries, frozen. It's delicious.
It's really good.
I do think that it would have been better with lemonade in it though.
You got donut on the side.
Yeah. Oh my god. Good donut.
Really good donut.
I tried to bite like into the entirety of the thing at once.
Yes.
Just get like a whole piece. Didn't work out.
I know.
Maybe 2/3 of the way. It's huge.
It's huge.
Tasty boy though.
It's huge. It took us each like, oh god, it was like the size of a normal donut for both of us. So definitely shareable. Oh my gosh. But now we're gonna hang out, and then I think, I don't know, what are we gonna do?
We have reservations at Hollywood and Vine soon.
Yes, we have the seasonal Halloween reservations at Hollywood and Vine for lunch in about an hour, so that'll be nice. I think until then we'll wander around, hang out, relax, cool off. It's so hot, and like, I'm sweaty all over. My hair is doing something really strange. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Everything's fine. It's all fine. We're melting, so we're in the shade for now. We're at Hollywood and Vine. It's really cute in here. And they got, they don't have any characters out currently. But they do have plexiglass, and I think the characters are going to be walking in between them. But it's pretty spread out, which is nice. We already ordered, which was easy. I'm really excited.
Same.
Hi! Hi, Goofy. How's it going? I love your costume. You look great. Yes, Biffy. He's so good. He got me. He's amazing. Yeah. I love your costume. Very cute. Get it, Goofy? Yummy? Pretty good. We both got the beef. Comes with mashed potatoes and green beans and this kind of fresh chopped mix of stuff over it. It's really good. We didn't wait because we've had the characters coming around and it's been really eventful, so we don't want to like miss anything. So we've been like having the camera on, phones out, taking pictures and videos and stuff. So we're just trying to get the food down. It's really good with like the chopped mix of stuff on top of it. It tastes really fresh. And the meat's cooked really well. The seasoning's great. I'm having a really good time. This is way better than I expected. Like, I expected good, so I'm impressed. Yeah. Are you impressed? You liking it?
I'm not impressed.
You're not impressed?
I'm having a problem where the meat's good, yeah.
Yeah.
But because they put the green on top of it, that's what I'm tasting.
And you don't like the flavor of it.
So yeah, it's like when you get a burger and you can taste everything on it, but not the meat itself. so it's like...
He's a plain burger kind of person. Plain, yeah. So if you like things more plain, maybe ask without it or something, yeah. What a beautiful dress! Beautiful.
Oh my goodness, even the hat's all decked out.
Oh, what a cute pose. Minnie, you're so sweet. Thank you. Okay, Julian, look quick. Look quick. Awesome outfit, Mickey. Love that. It's beautiful. The s'mores pie. How is it?
So far I've only had a bit of this cookie bit. It's supposed to be the graham cracker, I'm assuming, but it's just kind of a chocolate cookie.
It is really good.
I played with this because it's melty still.
Is it marshmallow? Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah?
That's good marshmallow.
And like, there's ice cream?
This is dark chocolate mousse.
Okay, okay.
That's good mousse.
Yes. Yours is so fancy. I can't get over the plating.
Beautiful.
It was more beautiful before I took this off. It was like, it's really pretty. Like, it's the lemon strawberry cake. It's lemon cake with strawberries. So, time to try. This reminds me of like a strawberry shortcake cookie.
See, that's what I was thinking. It looks like angel food cake almost.
And I love angel food cake, so. Let's go with cream. Oh, that could melt.
Perfect.
It's exactly like angel food cake, but it's like the nice lemon flavor. It feels like fresh. It's nice.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? The crews, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Pearl Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Oh, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
We're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We have company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. We got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
This ship is now under the command of the First Order. You will all exit immediately and prepare yourselves for interrogation. Get off the ship. Now.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Stay where you are.
Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry
underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
And we're back at the hotel. Well, actually, so we came back here to relax and stuff. We spent some time at the pool. There's a Fantasia pool here. That's the one we were at. There are two pools. One's just smaller, and it's right outside of our area. It's called the Duck Pond, I'm pretty sure. But we went to the Fantasia pool for about an hour, spent some time relaxing, showered and everything, and we're dressed again to go back to Hollywood Studios. I'm so excited. A lot of the wait times stayed down and calmed back down. They had kind of a spike around 2, and then they calmed back down, so when we get back, it'll be about what we had when we were there earlier. So I don't know how many rides we're going to end up doing, but we've done a lot so far already. Rise of the Resistance was absolutely amazing.
Beautiful.
I can't say that enough. I was in shock the whole time. I kept staring at Julian just like, we're on this. It's really cool. Super immersive. I love all the detailing. There kept being these panels that were like singed or like pieces that were shot at, and just little things like that. It was making me really happy. Aside from like, you know, seeing Kylo Ren coming at you, that's super amazing.
Too cool.
I loved it. So yeah, it was a really good ride.
It's amazing.
Definitely my favorite of the vacation so far. Pretty positive.
It's really good.
And that's a little hard to say, but like, yeah, no.
I feel like that's a hands down thing. That is incredible. It's immersive and so detailed.
Mm-hmm.
Every part of it is perfect. There's not a thing that I would change about it.
It's really cool. And it makes me even more like the Star Cruiser that they're that's new that they're coming out with here is so cool, and it would be such a cool experience, and you can tell how much like and how vivid they can do experiences like that with rides like Rise of the Resistance that are newer. It's not going to happen for us, but it would be so cool to get to go sometime. Mm-hmm. It'd be so cool.
It looks amazing, and I can only imagine that it would be even more incredible than Rise of the Resistance is, because that alone as a ride is amazing. It just sucks you in and is completely just I could hardly like take pictures or anything, because it was like I just wanted to be in it. I just wanted to be a part of it and enjoy it.
Same. I recorded, but for the most part it was like, okay, the camera's on and pointing at where I'm looking around. I'm having a good time. I'm in awe the whole time. It was just like a series of like like gasping and turning. But yeah, so we're all rested up. I think the plan tonight for dinner is pizza.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna return, hopefully get some pictures.
We gotta get you some pictures with the aliens.
I want some pictures with the aliens. I love Toy Story Land. It's really cute, and I especially love the aliens, so that's gonna happen. We needed pictures of you and any of the Muppet things.
Any of the Muppet things.
The Miss Piggy statue, maybe.
I would like a picture of the Miss Piggy statue. I grew up with the Muppets. I watched the entirety of the Muppets show when I was a kid with my mom, and I love them. They're always a nostalgic thing, and I saw a plush of Kermit earlier that I was like, I love him.
It was really cute. It was that's like the size I picture him being. It was like an 18 inches or so. It was really cute. If we see it again, I'll try to record that so we know. I forgot, but at the end of the night, we have Oga's Cantina.
Yeah.
It's after park close.
5 minutes after park closing in Hollywood Studios, we have an Oga's Cantina reservation, so we get to stay even longer than we're supposed to.
It's going to be wild. I'm really excited.
That's why this break is really good.
Yes. This break was necessary because we're going to be out for a while now. See you later.
See you.
Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Sure, Goofy, I guess I can do that.
Thanks! Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up! Hey, you making them? Sure, they can go share our thing. The work's here with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Nothing was gonna go wrong.
You got me. You really got me. Barely. Wow. Someone pulled it. So, we ended up at Potluck Express. We were trying to go to Pizza Rizzo because Julian is pretty into the Muppets, but that didn't work out tonight. But that's okay. They closed at 5, and it's like 8 currently. Yeah, it's 8 currently, so we needed to find somewhere that was still open, and they were here. I got basically their plainest burger. It's pretty decent. It came with all the sides you could, like, it came with lettuce and tomato that you could put on it, and then they had like ketchup and the normal sides that you could pump yourself. We got the apple cider, the frozen apple cider with the boba pearls. I think they're grapefruit boba pearls. They're really good. I love the cider. That's my favorite part of the meal so far. Because the burger's decent. It's a little tough, but it's decent. This is amazing. I would want this again. And then he had chicken fingers.
But I already devoured all of the chicken fingers because I was craving them.
How were they?
Really good. They're just chicken fingers. They're tasty. They were exactly what I wanted. The boba pearls and the frozen cider, that was the first time I've had popping boba. I loved that.
Yeah.
I'm very picky about textures and how things are, and those were so nice because it wasn't like a huge pop like Pop Rocks or something. It's just a smooth little poop and then juices in your mouth. So
yes.
It's just, pleasant.
It's like refreshing, so it's like a little bit sour, which I think is nice. And then we got the Halloween ghost cupcake.
He's so cute.
And it looks like that's the gray stuff, but it looks a little more crumbly than the gray stuff. So we'll see how that is. We're gonna finish our meal and then we'll update you on the ghost cupcake and stuff too. So, first of all, we split the cupcake in half. We're both enjoying ours already. But first of all, there was a ton of icing on this. It went up to like here. And it had a cute little meringue on top, which I thought was good. He wasn't a fan of, but he doesn't like meringue too much.
Textures bother me. It's the fact that it's dry and kind of hard. It's tasty. It tastes sweet. I can't with texture.
But this is also filled with the cookies and cream kind of buttercream thing. And with like the gray stuff fresh in my mind, I do think it tastes really similar, though it's weird because the gray stuff is so smooth in one color. And this is very, like, it looks cookies and cream, but it's delicious. It's so good.
I love it. It does taste very similar to the gray stuff, but it does, I can tell that there's cookie crumbs in it. So it's not smoothed out and tried really hard to make it to just gray, like gray stuff. It's very good, very cookies and cream. And then the cake is great.
Yeah.
It's moist and...
So if you're a cupcake fan, definitely recommend their special edition one for Halloween, but hopefully they'll have them around again next year because they're really yummy.
You to keep carry-on luggage and packages with you at all times. Never accept packages from any life form or droid you are not familiar.
We got a spot to watch the projection show. It's supposed to happen soon, so I'm excited.
Same.
I don't think I ever remember seeing this, so
I definitely didn't.
yeah, it worked out nicely that we still have about 20 minutes before we're gonna head over to Batu. So hopefully we get to see this and we don't have to rush out of here.
Tonight's the night, right here at the Chinese Theater for Mickey's premiere. This gala is sure to be the talk of the town as every star in Hollywood has gathered to see Mickey's latest sensational picture. Just hear those people cheer. And look, there he is, the star himself, Mickey Mouse. And there's his sweetheart, Minnie Mouse. But the two of them just a cat's meow. Just don't tell Pluto. Let's take a look inside the theater.
Thank you.
You got right from me. Okay. You surprised me. I have 24 hours to get rid of this bozo.
Yes.
You are wearing
And whatever that is, I'm gonna top right. The bright green glowing. Good morning. So last night we went to Oga's and we ended up coming back from Hollywood Studios completely exhausted. We showered and basically climbed right into bed, so we did not end the vlog or talk about Oga's Cantina. It was amazing to get to go. It was a bit more crowded than I would have liked. The atmosphere was still really amazing. I thought the drinks were great. We didn't get any of the alcoholic things we had looked at initially. We got Jamba Juice and a Blue Bantha. And the Blue Bantha was basically the blue milk they sell there, which isn't actually milk. And it came with a cookie on top. Both of them were really good. I chugged the blue milk. It was delicious. I loved it.
I loved the Jamba Juice also. The only problem I encountered is that they put the boba pearls on top and they all sunk, and since there's ice in the drink, it's like impossible to get to them.
Yeah, so if you get that, make sure you ask for a straw, because we kind of struggled with the ice, and we could have asked for one, but it was decently busy in there, so we kind of had our drinks, took some pictures and video, and got on out, because it was loud, it was kind of crowded. Yeah, we wanted to kind of get out of there, so.
We canceled our other reservation for it because that was a lot, and as much as I'm happy that we experienced it because it was super cool and I loved the robot.
It was really cute.
It was too busy to feel like it's worth it to do it again.
Exactly. Today should be really exciting.
Yeah.
We have Epcot today, and then we are going to go to Chef Mickey's tonight.